Unleash your potential with the power of your inner wisdom. Learn muscle testing to connect with your intuition as our ancestors once did. Join our free 3-day course on muscle testing, starting September 12th at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. Meet John, a dedicated professional grappling with financial stress. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to navigate through life's challenges more effectively? Imagine if John's intuition could guide him. He suddenly sidesteps pitfalls, finds lucrative opportunities, and triumphs over uncertainty. Did you know that chiropractors and healthcare professionals use a technique called muscle testing? Muscle testing can help you establish a strong intuitive connection. Just like tuning into a radio station, it helps you tune in to your own inner wisdom. It's a time-honored practice with profound implications. From ancient healers to modern practitioners, this intuitive approach has a rich legacy. And now, you too can wield this incredible tool. Imagine making decisions about your health, relationships, and even your career with unwavering confidence. But that's just the starting point. With dedication, you'll learn to harmonize your body, mind, and heart with your intuition. Experience a life where intuition leads to manifesting, abundance, and making career choices with clarity. Join our free 3-day course on muscle testing, starting September 12th at 2 p.m. Pacific Time. I look forward to seeing you there. Unleash the power of your intuition, transform your life, and unlock a world of prosperity.